So how do we actually reset our GameSir Tarantula Pro controller? So to be able to reset it, what we need to do firstly is to connect it to our PC or laptop. And you need to connect it either via the dongle or via the cable. I'm going to use a cable for this one, and I'm just going to use the cable that we got when we purchased the controller here, insert the USB-C in there of course, and the other end I'm just going to insert into my computer here, as you can see. So yeah, and as you can see, it should connect right away. If it doesn't, just click and hold on this button right here. So now once it's connected, I'm just going to open up an app called GameSir Connect. If you still haven't gotten that app, you can just Google GameSir Connect and then just download that specific app. It's a great app, and you need to have it if you want to be able to reset the controller, just so you know. So I'm just gonna obviously make so that it actually opens up as well. And yeah, perfect. Now we can see GameSir Connect here, and one of the controllers is the Tarantula Pro here, as you can see. So now when it's connected right here, the Tarantula Pro here, it should connect automatic. If it doesn't, just click on the Tarantula Pro. And then we need to click on the reset to default right here, actually, as you can see. So this one will reset it completely to default, and you just need to click on confirm here as well. And basically that is exactly how to actually reset your GameSir Tarantula Pro controller.